In this short tutorial, you will see how easily you can add a domain to your DragDropr account. So first of all, we are jumping into a project, and then you can either pick an existing landing page or you can add a new page. I will pick an existing one. So the next step is to publish the page. You just click the publish button here and choose a domain. Now you can either use a domain that you have already on file, that you already added to the account, or you can add a new domain. This is what we are doing here. So add a new domain. Now you just type in the domain that you want to add. So in my case, I would like to add dnd.dragdropr.com, so a subdomain, or dnd.dragdropr.net, so a subdomain of DragDropr. You can also add the qualified domain, so just dragdropr.net. It's also possible, but I just for testing here to show you what you need to do, I will add this this domain. So you just click on use, and you're guided to the checkout process. So of course, we don't bill you for that. You check out, you accept, and you just place the order. Nothing will happen, nothing will be billed. And we will now create the account for you with the domain, and you can publish it. All you need to do is follow the information that we send you via email, where you get notified to what you should change the DNS record of your domain to. I will show you that in the next step. So let's jump back to the builder. Let's go back here and close the window and click publish again, choose a domain, and now here you see that the domain is already added to your account, and you can give the page a name. Let's say I call this index. If it's called index, it will open under dnd.dragdropr.net. You can call it as well another name, and it will store as another name.html, and you just open the page with dnd.dragdropr.net/another name.html. So I will say I'd store it as index and just publish it to the domain, and now it's published. And all I need to do now is to open it in another browser. But first of all, I need to follow the information that I've been sent through email on where to point the domain to. Let me show you how this mainly works. We are using a service called Cloudflare for our DNS. So just let me open that for you. So here we are in the DNS management of Cloudflare. As said, this is our DNS provider. You will have another one where you bought the domain already, okay? So and the DNS settings are always quite similar. So in this case, all you need to do is create a CNAME record of your entry that you want to send to us. In our case, I said it should be dnd.dragdropr.net, and for Cloudflare, just need to add the subdomain. And the CNAME that you need to enter is hosted.dragdropr.com, and just add the record. And that's it. So the domain is now pointing to our server, and you can open it in another browser. Please take care that such DNS changes often take up to 48 hours. But yeah, as soon as the domain is pointing to the server, you can use it. Let's give it a try. dnd.dragdropr.net should open the landing page that we have built in the past. And now let's go back here and do another page. As I said, let's give it a name, any name, and just publish it to that domain. And here you have the link, so I just can open that as well here. And you will see the page loading. And of course, you can do this with any page that you build. Let me go back to pages here and pick something else. Let's pick this one and publish it to the domain. So we go here to publish domain, choose the domain that we want to have, and have it, another one, and publish. And yeah, just pick this, open it up, and here we go, it's there. So this is how easy you can add domains to your DragDropr account.